Good day everyone. So today we are going to do the come and follower activity. First, make sure that the unit is in MMGS. For our first part, we're going to do the base. Select the top plane and create or draw two circles with a diameter of 30 and 8. And then go to features and select the boss extrude and extrude the sketch into 10 mm. And now we are done with our base. Next, we are going to do the cam shaft. Select the front plane, sketch, and create a circle with a diameter of 10 mm. Now, go to features, select the boss extrude, choose the mid plane, and extrude by 30 mm. Now we are done with our camshaft. Now we are going to do the spring. Select the front plane and create a line upwards with the length of 23 mm. Now exit the sketch and select the front plane again and draw a small circle and create a line connecting from the center to the center of the circle. And then add relation, choose the horizontal. We have the dimension of 8 mm for the line and 2.5 mm diameter for the circle. Exit the sketch again. Select the sketch 2. Go to features, select the sweep boss. For the path, select the line. Make sure that the circle is close looped. Go to options. Choose the twist value and then revolution and the direction of 4. And now we are done with our spring. For our next part, we're going to do the cam body. Select the front plane, then create a circle with a diameter of 30 mm and another circle inside with a diameter of 10 mm. Then select the center line. Then from the center, create a line upwards with a length of 30 mm. And then draw a circle at the end of the line with a diameter of 12 mm. Now, choose the 3-point arc and select this circle to this circle and adjust its arc. After that, make the arc and the circle tangent. We can adjust the arc like an egg. And then select the mirror entities and mirror the arc adjust it, let's say 40, and then trim the circle inside. Now go to Features, select the Boss Extrude, choose the mid-plane, and extrude by 10 mm. Now for our last part, we're going to do the cam piston. Select the top plane, draw a circle with a diameter of 8 mm. Go to Features, select the Boss Extrude and extrude by 50 mm. After that, select the lower part or the base, and then sketch. Draw a circle with the diameter of 20 mm. Now go to Features again and Boss Extrude and extrude by 5 mm downwards. Select the fillet and fillet the lower part by 2.5 mm. Now, select the right plane and sketch. From the lower part, draw a circle with a radius of 4.5 and create a line from the center of the circle horizontally, and then trim the upper part of the circle. Now go to Features again, choose the Boss Extrude, and then select the mid-plane for the direction and extrude by 10 mm. Now we are done with the cam piston and the parts of the cam and follower.